In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a folder on Google Drive. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Let's say as an example, you're going to use Opera or Google Chrome or Firefox or I don't know, Microsoft Edge or even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So once you go and open that browser that you have, go to this URL section and simply type google.com/drive and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page directly, which is the home screen or the main screen of Google Drive. So if you have an account, make sure to go and click at the top right corner option sign in. And once you click on it, they will take you to this page if you already tried to sign in before. If you don't even have an account, you can click on try Drive for work or sign up at no cost, as you can see, if you don't have an account. If you click on it, as you can see, you can use for my personal use or for work or my business. Choose whatever suits you. Let's say as an example for my personal use. So here you can simply enter your name, your last name, and etc. Anyway, and fill the other informations until you find yourself with your account. So once you signed in or sign up into your account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or main screen on Google Drive. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to duplicate a folder. And of course, if you want to do that, simply go to the folder that you want to duplicate. As an example, this one for me, right click on it, click and on these three dots. And from here, as you can see, you will have these options on this pop-outs. So as you can see, we have share, get link, and etc. So if you didn't find duplicates here, all you need to do, just go and download it. Once it's downloaded, you will have to go and add a new one. Of course, click add file upload and just upload the same file that you downloaded and just give it a name. Another name, maybe the same name, whatever you want. And here you are. You will duplicate your folder because there is no direct way to duplicate a folder or a folder on Google Drive. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.